So for suhoor, I'm having 4 pancakes. These are store-bought pancakes. I spread some Nutella on it, not some, actually a lot. I love Nutella, and oh my gosh, this was so much. I barely could finish it. Like, I got greedy and I took 4 instead of 3, and I'm gonna be drinking some water. For iftari, I had literally nothing else but sambosa with vimto. Here I am frying the sambosa. These are also store-bought ready-made sambosa. These are frozen, so you just fry them. They are veggie and beef and chicken, because my sister is allergic to chicken, so we get some variety for her. So yeah, I had these only, like literally these. So it's a lot later. Right now I'm having dinner. So the dinner is shawarma. It's self-made shawarma. So my sister made every single thing separately, and you just assemble it yourself the way you like. So I am having beef shawarma right now, and with this hot sauce. Oh my gosh, I love this hot sauce. It's extra spicy, with a glass of vimto, because vimto is everything. It is a lot later, right around like 1-ish something. So right now I'm having donut. This is one of my favorite for a little light snack. Ending the night with the absolute favorite thing of my all time, quinoa noodle chatpata. If you guys have seen my video trying Pakistani snacks, then you guys would know that I loved this so badly. So right now I'm just doing that. I got a family packet, so there are 4 in it, so that's why it says not for sale in this packaging. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. My absolute favorite noodle right now.